Having your iPhone 14 screen stuck at one brightness level can be incredibly annoying. Whether too dim or too bright, not being able to adjust the display brightness makes using the phone difficult. Fortunately, you can try these troubleshooting tips to get back control of the brightness. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Restart your iPhone. Restarting a device can help fix problems because it clears the RAM and refreshes the operating system. This can often fix problems that are caused by software glitches or temporary errors. To do it, press and hold the side button and either volume buttons until the slider shows on the screen. Drag the slider to the right to turn your iPhone off. After a few seconds, press and hold the power key until the Apple logo appears, and then wait until it finishes the reboot. After that, try to see if it adjusts the brightness to a comfortable level. If not, then move on to the next solution. Toggle auto brightness on and off. The auto brightness feature uses the phone's sensors to detect the ambient light level and adjust the brightness accordingly. However, sometimes these sensors can get out of sync, which can cause the screen brightness to not adjust properly. Toggling the auto brightness on and off can reset the sensors and fix the problem. And here's how you do that. Open Settings and tap on Accessibility. From there, look for a tap display and text size, and at the bottom part, you'll see the auto brightness feature. Toggle the switch to disable it, and after a few seconds, tap on it again to enable it. Update to latest iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the very latest iOS version. Apple's frequent software updates often include fixes for display and brightness bugs. Updating may resolve your issue, especially if there are a lot of users experiencing this problem. To check for an update, launch Settings and then tap General. Select Software Update and then allow your iPhone to scan for new updates. If there's an update available, download and install it to see if it fixes the problem. Factory reset the iPhone. If all else fails, then you have no other option but to reset your device. Doing so will bring all the settings back to their factory defaults and fix the problem you're experiencing. But before doing that, sync your device to your iCloud account to create a backup. To factory reset your phone, open Settings and then tap General. On the next screen, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Erase all content and settings. Follow a few on-screen instructions to proceed with the reset. Your iPhone will restart after that and will prompt you to set it up again. After the reset, check the display to see if the auto brightness feature is not working properly. If this fails as well, then you have to get your phone checked, as it can be a hardware problem. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.